Meet John, a training manager, who is looking for trainings for his employees. Also meet Nancy, an aviation engineer who is searching for trainings for reskill and upskill herself, to diversify and achieve career goals. And meet Wong, a university graduate, searching for trainings that can help him become more employable. They all are searching for trainings. iCompliance Learning Journey offers hundreds of training at affordable rates, in just 4 steps. Step 1, Registration. Log on to iCompliance.online and register as member to enjoy benefits including wallet credits and a personalized dashboard. Step 2, Selection. Start searching your desired training solution, based on your learning objective. Step 3, Checkout. Register for trainings and checkout, through multiple payment methods. Step 4, Enjoy your trainings. Receive all training materials, in your personalized learner's briefcase. Join the trainings, and give us your feedback. iCompliance offers hundreds of courses to select, economical prices with promos and discounts, world-leading training companies and expert tutors, and benefit of all-in-one integrated platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register today and start your learning journey with iCompliance.